Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour through France, visiting some of the most stunning and unique places this country has to offer. From the sparkling Champagne region to the rugged landscapes of Corsica, get ready to add some new destinations to your travel bucket list. Champagne. First up is the illustrious Champagne region, nestled in the northeastern part of France, celebrated globally, not just for its eponymous sparkling wine, but also for its rich history and culture. As we meander through the sprawling vineyards set against picturesque hillsides, we'll delve into the centuries-old art of champagne making. This intricate process, known as méthode champenoise, involves a secondary fermentation in the bottle to create that signature fizz. Along our journey, we'll visit some of the most prestigious champagne houses, think Moët and Chandon, Veuve and Taittinger. Here, you can savor a tasting session, experiencing firsthand the subtle variations across different blends and vintages. We'll also take a peek behind the scenes to see the labyrinthine cellars where millions of bottles age gracefully under expert care. Provence. Next, we head south to the enchanting region of Provence, a tapestry of lush landscapes and vibrant colors that has seduced painters and poets alike. The allure of Provence lies in its expansive lavender fields that bloom into a vivid purple haze each summer, and the golden sunflowers that sway in the gentle Mediterranean breeze. As we explore quaint hilltop villages like Gorges and Roussillon, you'll feel as though you've stepped into a painting. The historic towns, such as Aix-en-Provence, the birthplace of Paul Cézanne, offer a glimpse into the life of the artist with museums and studios dedicated to his work. We'll stroll through ancient streets lined with Renaissance architecture and bustling markets, where the air is perfumed with the scent of herbes de Provence and freshly baked goods. Provence is not just a feast for the eyes, but also the palate, renowned for its culinary traditions and local produce, including olives, truffles, and of course, rose wine. Join us as we experience the charm of the Provençal lifestyle, where the beauty of the landscape melds seamlessly with the culture and cuisine. Gorges du Verdon. Prepare to be awestruck by the Gorges du Verdon, often hailed as France's answer to the Grand Canyon. This majestic river canyon, known for its stunning turquoise waters, is a jewel in the crown of the Provence-Alpes-Côte d'Azur region. Towering limestone cliffs provide a dramatic backdrop for a myriad of outdoor activities. Hikers can explore numerous trails that offer panoramic views, while kayakers and canoeists can navigate the serene waters of the Verdon River, carving through the canyon. For the adrenaline seekers, rock climbing spots abound, offering challenges for all skill levels. The area is also rich in wildlife and flora. Mont Saint-Michel. Mont Saint-Michel stands as a timeless silhouette against the Normandy sky. This medieval abbey, perched atop a rocky islet, is accessible via a causeway that becomes surrounded by water at high tide, creating a stunning visual illusion of a floating castle. Discover centuries of history as you walk through the abbey's majestic halls and climb its storied steps. The Gothic architecture and the breathtaking views over the bay make it a photographer's paradise. The surrounding village, with its narrow cobblestone streets and traditional shops, offers a glimpse into the past, serving local specialties like the famous omelette of Lamouret Poulard. Dune Du Pilat. Travel to the mesmerizing Dune Du Pilat. This colossal natural wonder stretches nearly 3 kilometers and rises 110 meters above sea level. Climbing to the top of this sandy behemoth offers a rewarding experience with spectacular views of the vast Atlantic Ocean on one side and a dense maritime pine forest on the other. The dune is a dynamic landscape, constantly reshaped by the winds and tides, providing a unique visit with each experience. Saint-Tropez. Next, we visit the chic and glamorous town of Saint-Tropez on the French Riviera. Once a humble fishing village, today, it's a playground for the rich and famous, renowned for its pristine beaches, luxury yachts, and vibrant nightlife. Stroll through its picturesque old port, where colorful facades meet calf-lined promenades. Explore the historic citadel, offering a glimpse into the town's maritime heritage and panoramic views of the Gulf of Saint-Tropez. At night, the town comes alive with world-class dining and exclusive clubs. Rocamadour. Explore Rocamadour, a miraculous village built into the side of a cliff. This sacred site, a destination for pilgrimage since the Middle Ages, features a complex of religious buildings accessed by the Grand Escalier, a staircase of 216 steps. Each year, thousands are drawn to its chapels, sanctuaries, and the revered statue of the Black Madonna. The dramatic setting not only provides a profound spiritual experience, but also stunning views of the Alzou Valley below. The Loire Valley. Known as the Garden of France, the Loire Valley is a verdant expanse of vineyards and fruit orchards interspersed with over 100 H2, each telling a story of feudal history. Cycle along the Loire River, visit H2 like Chambord and Villandry, and explore their opulent interiors and intricate gardens. The region is also a celebrated wine-producing area, offering tours and tastings that highlight local varietals such as Chenin Blanc and Cabernet Franc. Auvergne. Venture into the heart of France with a visit to Auvergne, a region of raw and powerful beauty characterized by its volcanic landscapes. This geologically rich area offers a spectacular array of natural phenomena, from craters to hot springs. The Chaux-Nez des Puys, a chain of dormant volcanoes, provides exceptional hiking opportunities. The region is also known for its rich culinary traditions, with specialties like Auvergne cheese and lentils, which you can savor in cozy mountain inns. Corsica. Our final destination takes us to the enchanting island of Corsica, a Mediterranean gem that is as rugged as it is beautiful. This French island, located just south of the mainland and west of Italy, boasts an incredibly diverse landscape that captivates visitors with its blend of pristine beaches, dense forests, and sharp mountain peaks. As we explore Corsica, we begin with its dramatic coastline, which stretches over 1,000 kilometers and features some of the clearest turquoise waters in the Mediterranean. The beaches here range from wide sandy expanses like Plage de Palombagia to secluded coves only accessible by foot or boat, providing perfect settings for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. Thank you for joining us on this stunning tour of France. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an adventure with us. Which of these French destinations would you love to visit? Let us know in the comments below.